grade. Today in grammar we're learning about article adjectives. Now all of our article adjectives are just 3 words. They're going to be the words a, and the. Before we get into our worksheet, I want you to learn our new jingle, the article adjective jingle. Make sure you try to say it along with us. Jingle 7, the article adjective jingle. Drop the beat. We are the article adjectives, teeny tiny adjectives. A and the. We are called article adjectives and noun markers. We are memorized and used every day. So if you spot us, you can mark us with the capital A. We are the article adjectives, teeny tiny adjectives. A and the. You just heard our new jingle, so now we want to go over what that means. So make sure you got your name here. Article adjectives. The article adjectives are the word a, and the. I wrote and twice. Yours should just have a, and the. All right? Now, for example, we could say that is a tall tree. Right, that's a very tall tree. That is an unhappy baby. And finally, it's the final decision. All right, so you hear those words all the time. Now, the difference, we use a before a word that starts with a consonant. Okay, so if it starts with a consonant, which is any letter that's not a vowel, A, E, I, or O, or U, we'd use a. For example, a tall tree. Why? Because tall, the very next word, starts with a T, and that's a consonant. And we use an in front of this one, an unhappy baby, because unhappy starts with U, and that's a vowel. So for an, you can write before a word that starts with a vowel. All right, so those are your notes for a versus and. Then we've got our sample sentence at the bottom. Let's see how we classify an article adjective in this sentence. It's going to have just the letter A above it. It's just like for subject noun, we write SN. For verb, we write V. Well, for article adjective, we're just going to write an A. So let's go. Sentence 1. The 2 frisky dogs barked loudly outside today. What barked loudly outside today? Dogs. Subject, noun. What is being said about dogs? Dogs barked. Verb. Barked how? Loudly. Adverb. Barked where? Outside. Adverb. Barked when? Today. Adverb. What kind of dogs? Frisky. Adjective. How many dogs? 2. Adjective. The. Article adjective. Here, so we just said the. Article adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Excellent. So the is our article adjective, and we just say the word and then write a above it for article adjective. Now at the bottom, let's practice if we should use a, an, or the in these sentences. So look at sentence 1. Did you find blank oily cloth in the garage? Well, here we have the next word starts with an O. So instead of did you find a oily cloth in the garage, we would say did you find an oily cloth in the garage, because O is a vowel. Next, would you like a fresh peach, or would you like an fresh peach? These are all going to be or, a or an, okay? We're not going to use the in any of these because we're practicing if you use a or an. Would you like a fresh peach? Would you like an fresh peach? Well, this next one starts with an F, so if it starts with a consonant, it's got to be a. Would you like a fresh peach? We saw a blank large animal yesterday. We saw a large animal. We saw an large animal. Well, it starts with an L. That's a consonant, so it would have to be a. We saw a large animal. Next, we saw a blank anteater. We saw a anteater or an anteater. Well, it starts with a vowel, so it'd have to be an. We saw an anteater. Excellent. That's all of our notes for today. Tomorrow we'll pick it up with Classroom Practice 8.